Welcome back to the channel. Another episode of the e36 drift build. And today's episode, probably going to just try to get the engine fitted, get all the trailing arm pockets and that cleaned up and ready for when the new pockets arrive. They're still waiting on them to come from Germany, so it'll be another few days. So just trying to get as much done as possible. So once they arrive, it'll just be finishing off the back end and fitting that. So I'll show you as much as possible and do a few time lapses. So as you can see, trailing arms have new bearings pressed in, new backing plates fitted, all powder coated and polybushed, all ready to go. You can see the full extent of the rust on the trailing arm pockets now that they've started being cleaned. They wouldn't have lasted very long. This one is a lot worse. Driver's side one. You see there's not much left of them. So M52 engine is all fitted, just waiting on a MAF and a power steering pipe. Can't get the engine running yet anyway until the fuel tank is back on after we've done all the welding on the rear. Batteries relocated into the boot, and we fitted a short shifter as well. We're starting to make the exhaust. So that's it for today's episode. Next time now will be just basically, or next episode will be when we get the new trailing arm cups and we get them welded in and get all the back end back on. So thanks for watching, and if you're liking the videos, subscribe.